Alrighty, Clif, here's your small block Ford. Just got done dynoing and everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our set of our cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom grind hydraulic rollers and custom pistons. Got the Canton rear sump oil pan, CVF front end kit. Ensure the alternator charged for you. It's got the Pro M intake manifold, obviously a EFI multi-point. Got the Terminator X. This is the Max. Great system. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, 469 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 501. Peaks horsepower 491. So we're rated at 500. That front end kit there is a good 20 horsepower, so it runs good. Get her off there and get in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.